This is day 2 of our Royal Caribbean cruise. I'll show you different activities we tried, different food we ate, a quick room tour, and everything you can expect when boarding Royal Caribbean. The room tour. So, sorry, actually, hindi ito yung buong room. So, ayan siya. Ang dami naming luggage. So, etong nasa likod mo is the bathroom, I'm assuming. Ito is a door to the other cabin. Okay, so yun na yun. Mamaya na yung bathroom tour. Tapos sa likod ni Joe, there's a cabinet. Na I think it's a hanging cabinet. Hindi ko lang mabuksan.
Ay, ito na po.
Okay, tapos yan, we have a queen-size bed for, king yata. Etong dalawa sa taas, parang pwede pa yung lagyan ng maliit na luggage. Tapos, we have a TV. Ayan. And we have an ensuite toilet and bath. Okay, so ito aparador siya. Open natin. Ayan. So, we have hanging space. I believe yung kay Joe na side, puro hangers yun. So, hindi siya masyado useful.
Oh, okay. So, magkaiba sila.
Tapos, ito yung couch na magiging sofa bed. Dito kami matutulog ni Jorel. Tapos, ayan, yung cabinet namin. Mag-unpack kami para hindi masikip. And we have a mirror. Hello.
And we have a TV.
And social kami. May balcony kami. Charot. Ayan. Goodbye, Singapore. I'm done. Crazy done. This is the bathroom. So, yung... Ayan, may mirror. And mga towels for 4. Toiletries. Yung shelves. Yung inidoro niya parang sa plain. Yung flush. Tapos ito yung shower. Dala kayo ng shampoo kasi 3-in-1 yan. Shampoo, body wash, conditioner. So, hindi giving. Walang bili. Yan. Kasya naman ako dun sa banyo. We're leaving Singapore on our balcony. Hello!
Yeah. On our 2-bedroom suite.
Ayun sa... Gumagalaw na. Bye, Singapore. We're having coffee here at 270. So, if you want sandwiches, panini, ayan, mukhang yung dalawa, kakain pa sila. There are pears, may carving station. There are fruits, salad, soup. Ayan. Espresso. So, yung free, nandito kasi siya, sadly. So, ayan, coffee lang siya na ganun. May juice naman. Okay. So, yung laban na laban pa rin sila sa pagkain. Can I have a tiny slice? One. Thank you. Thank you so much. Binamin, kape lang. Pero ayan, yan ang mga kinuha.
Ayaw pa! Nakita ni RC yan?
So this is, baka music hall, hindi ko alam. Pero ayan siya, vibe. It's such a vibe. Hindi pa uma-under yung ship. Eto, this is after lunch. Kakain lang naman ako ng beef ulit.
Sa inyo ba to?
Sorry.
Sa inyo to?
Oo. Such a great way to end the day. Sunset! It's actually 6:30 na. And this is the view from our balcony. Patay ko naman, RC. We're heading to dinner. It's so fun. It's so lively. Saan ba tayo? Tanong ay here. Okay. This is the menu for tonight. Yung recommendation is crispy crab cake, slow roasted prime rib, and key lime pie. Pero I will have escargot, New York strip steak, saka key lime pie. Dinner time with the girls. So, ayan. I got escargot. Pero mag-share lang din naman kami ni Jorel here. We can order as many as we want. Pero at the same time, we don't want to waste anything. So, ayan. Si Joe then got the crab cake. So, let's try the escargot. Kasi naman, if you're getting dinner for free, try nyo na lahat ng hindi nyo natutry, diba? May kasama siyang bread. Yan. Hindi mo na siya kailangan tanggalin sa shell niya.
Ang dami ng gus-gus pala nung ano.
Hindi siya super tasty.
Pwede na po ito tanggal.
But it's really buttery. Tapos hindi siya malansa at all. Okay, so I'm eating Jarrell's crab cakes.
I'm trying.
Again, you can order naman another extra.
Pero may umaypak. It's very tasty.
Ay, ang laki ng bite ko. Oh my gosh, nadurog-durog siya. Diba? Like, it's fresh. Okay, crab cakes time.
You need to, kasama siya dapat sa plate.
Try mo. You know, I'm not a crab girl, pero this is really nice. Like, hindi siya malansa. It's very flavorful. Good appetizer. I would order this again, actually.
Sorry, nainom ko yung water.
Sabi si Jarrell, he tried it without bread and he really liked it. So, try ko siya. I've only had snails sa Vietnam. At saka siguro sa bahay yung ginataang suso. So, let's try it.
Pinag-film ka na?
Mas masarap nga siya without the bread.
Nag-try ka doon?
Ang sarap. Parang ang meaty nung lasa niya.
Okay, so yung kanina. Mas gusto ko.
I would order it again.
Order niya.
This is my steak.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Ang winner nung kay RC, may rice.
No problem po. Thank you.
Tapos yung kay Jarrell is the slow roasted prime rib. So magpapalit kami, magsiswapsies din kami. Okay, so let's try the steak. Alam nyo, dapat magma-musical kami, mag-West End kami. Pero when I saw the menu, hindi ko talaga carry na ma-miss yung tonight's menu kasi it sounded really good.
Mas okay.
Mas masarap yung steak ngayon. It's super well seasoned, no?
Prime rib. Anong cook mo ba?
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Parang very big. Pero may something juicy. Baka horseradish ka.
Let's try the prime rib. Sabi ni Joe, it's very beefy. Beefy. Maharap din. It's very flavorful.
Malambot din naman. Malambot, yes. May missing lang na parang hindi ko alam kung ano. Parang hindi ko pala siyang masyadong linamnam or herbs.
Between the two, I still like my New York
Butter, parang mga ganun.
strip steak. Pero nainggit ako dun sa rice ni RC kasi I got like a potato.
Ito nga,
Ano carry lang? Ay, may portobello pa tayo.
may horseradish eh.
Sarap?
Dahil masarap siya na may sauce.
Try natin yung baked potato.
Sarap, may horseradish. Okay, happy na.
Okay. Kabaydo naman. This is the portobello mushroom. Hindi ko na maalala. Stuffed portobello mushroom. So, ayun. So, he has
Stir fry noodles, peanut noodles. Yun. But it's much
Ay, is this mine?
It's light lang, not too tasty. Tasty but not too tasty.
Eh di tama. Hindi ka parang perfectly finesse.
Tapos ang dami niyang seafood.
Ang sarap. Sana pala ito na lang yung main course ko para hindi ako sobrang nasawa sa meat. Oh, it's very light.
Eh, this is my second order.
Sarap.
Parang kulang siya ng salt lang.
Again.
Salt. Pero masarap yung sauce. Sarap.
Ito medyo bland for me, girl.
Hindi siya as tasty. Pero for me, sakto lang.
So kulang din siya ng salt. Charot. Iba.
New York cheesecake yung kanina. Parang pwede lang bawasan ng konting tamis.
That's too sweet for me.
Ah, talaga? Dessert time, we got key lime pie. Pare-parehas kami.
This is candied, ano, or parang candied lime? Ay, hindi, parang ano siya, gummy. Yun, gummy. Yung, baka yung puti yung matalim.
I think yung crust yung matamis. Ay, hindi. Baka nga yung puti.
Yung pula. Yung mismong maasim yung mata.
Medyo matamis din yung white.
Parang,
Okay nga siya. Konting-konting bawas na lang sa tamis.
sarap na rin lang. Asim.
So if I were to replan my order, siguro I'll still go with escargot. Hindi ko kakainin yung bread. Tapos yung sa main course ko is yung portobello mushroom. Tapos yung dessert ko, okay pa rin naman ako dito sa key lime pie. I think this is a good end.
Masarap yung crust.
Pero kasi, minsan lang naman tayo makakakain ng New York steak. So, if you're going here, orderin nyo na rin. Kasi it's not like everyday makaka-order ka nun for free, diba? Yun. Overall, dinner is good. Yun lang, naumay lang talaga ako sa meat. Kasi I've been eating meat for the whole day. Yeah. So, yun.
Tago ko muna to, medyo sikreto lang.
Pakilagay ko sa ref.
Oh my gosh.
Dahil medyo sikreto pero nakalabas sa table.
Kasi baka makita nung
Good morning, everyone. It's already 7:45, I think. And we're preparing to work out at, I think, 9 o'clock. But, you know, I have to get some food in my stomach. Sila hindi pa daw. Kasi ako, this is my usual breakfast time. So, I'm here at the Solarium Bistro. Ito yung mga pagkain. This is such a relaxed place. So, there's mackerel, there's fish, mga ganyan. French toast, waffles. There's eggs, bacon, sausage, oatmeal, hash, and they have longans. I'm so happy. It makes me so happy. They also have like a bread station here. So they have donuts, Danish, French toast, mga ganyan. Anyway, let's get some food. So yun, I'm here at the Solarium. I'm having breakfast alone. Yung friends ko kasi are either tulog pa or they're getting ready to work out and they don't eat daw. Ang sarap ng bacon. The bacon is super crispy. And yung French toast, saks lang. Pero I feel like ikaw naman gagawa ng paraan to make it good. I added whipped cream and jam and maple syrup. Scrambled egg is also really good. Try natin yung hash brown. Hash browns. It's so crispy. Tapos, what I love about this trip is unlimited yung longan. If you know me, I'm a longan girl. Longan is my #1 fruit, better than lychee. Anything. Iba yung level ng happiness ko nung nakita namin yon. I'm also having coffee, pero the coffee here isn't that good, so it's so sad. We might get like a coffee package. Tastes like nothing. Ayun, ang sad. Anyway, lagyan na natin asukal. Anyway, ayun, tapusin ko lang yung breakfast ko. And then, we will work out, or at least attempt to work out. See ya! This is the gym. Ano nga ba pangalan ng gym? Vitality Gym. Ayan po. Seryosong-seryoso siya. Si Jojo Ichoy. Nag-jogging siya dyan. So yun. Medyo gloomy yung day. Pero this is the gym. Pakita ko sa inyo. This is RC. And here are our friends. We have a private coaching session with Coach Foodie. Ayan. Ay, pack! Stretch. Cat's eye.
Nag-stretch lang.
Hello! Ang fun. I didn't really spend a lot of time in the gym because I'm not really a gym girl. I went there to spend time with my friends and to look for people to spend more activities with me. I love wall climbing. Buti na lang si Jeremy. He also likes wall climbing and Jarell was taking videos of us. Wall climbing is completely free for us who purchased the key, which is like an exclusive perk. Meron kaming time slot para hindi kami masyadong kasabay ng other passengers. If you want to know about the key benefits, let me know. I can make a separate video discussing if it's worth it or not. Anyway, outdoors kasi yung wall climbing and it was really windy so medyo nahihirapan talaga ako dito. Ito yung disadvantage of outdoor wall climbing kasi minsan umaambon, umuulan and minsan malakas talaga yung hangin. Pero overall, it was a lot of fun. Where else can you do wall climbing aboard a ship, diba? After me was Jeremy pero I wasn't able to take a video of him. Pero overall, it was a really fun experience. Siguro one of my favorite activities na to sa ship. Hey, taray nung view naman tonight. Parang feeling ko ako yung parent dun sa Parent Trap in their honeymoon.
So, like,
Bakit pag umaga meron akong nagagawa?
Cesar
Not bad.
salad.
okay. Caesar salad.
Kailan yung eyeliner niyo?
640.
Okay, this is the spring rolls.
Si Chels din. Di ba si Chels slim? Slender si Chels. Ay, ikaw umorder niyan, girl. Ay, okay.
Sino?
Baka ibang table, pero whatever. I mean, pwede naman sila umorder ulit.
Kamusta, girl?
Mas masarap pa rin ng lumpia. Ay, naisip ko anong lasa.
Parang Pasig and pero sa makeup record.
Lasang tinotsokang bangus for some reason.
May fish. Masyado lang din thick yung lumpia ramen.
Oo. Superior siguro talaga ang lumpia for me.
Bakit mo corn?
I mean, it's just
Kaya siguro
reality.
superior si Abby.
Salmon.
Masarap yung salmon.
Did you try this? You should.
Inasaman ka na din.
Panda Express time. I got the sweet and sour pork. I'm so excited.
Hindi pa, wala pa.
Hindi ba panta yan, girl?
Ayun. Ayan, patay.
Hindi siya mukhang pantay lang.
No rice? Sorry, nagulat lang ako na
Si Jorel, save kayo ng order.
Plain rice. Oh my God.
Parang kulang yung pagka-sweet and sour. Pero the pork is very, to quote Joe, succulent.
Yung biryani ko medyo malungkot.
Pero hindi siya yung sweet and sour pork na that I'm used to.
Parang malaking chicken. Ako din.
Rice is giving.
Parang tipong may chicken. Oh! Why is it better tonight?
Escalado.
Sabi ko ayaw ko na ng steak, pero here I am eating steak. Same as yesterday actually, yung yesterday's entree. And ang sarap. Siguro it just took us not eating steak before eating steak. Dahil kahapon, steak on steak on steak on steak.
Pero masarap siya ngayon.
Masarap. Ganyan naman siya kahapon, di ba RC?
Okay din kahapon, pero parang iba ngayon.
Or medium kasi yung kahapon ko.
Wala siya. Mas sweet.
I love mango sago, so I got the mango tapioca with 5 spice something. Yun sa 5 spice ako natatakot. But we will try. May 5 spice something eh. Dun sa menu.
Ay, friend, gusto ko pa pala. Ay, hindi. Go, tingnan mo.
No.
The matcha passion fruit.
No.
Yung sago, it's so sad.
Oh no, the sago is so sad daw.
Parang hindi siya sago.
Parang may ibang sulat dun eh. Ibang flavor.
Ah, hindi ba? At tapioca.
Pero
Parang,
tapioca
spice. Parang,
Oo, pero yung lasa, okay. Pero yung texture, weird. Hey, I'm eating Jarrell's dessert. I forgot kung ano to.
It's matcha passion.
Matcha passion fruit.
Thank you.
It's nice, but the pearl lang talaga yung...
You're such a sweetheart.
Okay naman siya sa akin. Tapos,
Ayoko na lang.
Okay naman, but I like the chocolate bar better.
ay, patry ako ng chocolate.
Oh, okay.
yes.
5 types of sausage you can try.
This is the lychee tart.
One is baboy, one is beef,
Masarap din
one is chicken. They're 15.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Abraham.
Ang sarap ng lychee tart, friend.
Pero siya may cheese.
I enjoy this.
Caramel lang
I think
Oo.
Salted caramel.
out of all desserts tonight, ito yung nagustuhan ko. We're here at Boleros for adult karaoke night. Adult karaoke night. Girl, so it has to be an adult song.
So Versace on the floor.
Paano ulit? Paano ulit?
When my hands don't play the strings the same way. Baby now.
Ganyan po ang thought process nila. Pipili lang yan ng kanta, ha?
Anong karaoke lang sa cruise.
Oo, magkakaraoke lang po.
Isa pa? Ano kakantayin na naman? Mahirapan na naman tayo.
And that is day 2 of our Royal Caribbean cruise. Next time, I'll show you day 3. We went to Phuket and tried more fun activities on the ship. See you again next time. Bye!